Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in St. Catherine. House number 1. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house is located in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 1,300 square feet and it's on the market for 19 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a closer look. First we have the veranda. Next is the living area, dining area, and followed by that is the kitchen. Next up are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. From here, we're going to head back on the outside. House number 3. For this one, it is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 1,000 square feet and it's on the market for 14 million Jamaican dollars. From here, let's head on the inside. First, we have living and dining area number 1, and from here you can also see kitchen number 1. Up next is living and dining area number 2 along with kitchen number 2. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Followed by that are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. Lastly, we're going to head to the roof. And that will be the end for house number 3. House number 4. Here we have a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house located in Bogwalk, St. Catherine. The size of this land is 8,732 square feet and it's been listed for 14.25 million Jamaican dollars. Let's head on the inside. First, we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. Followed by that, we have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Up next is the bathroom. And from here, we're going to head on the outside. Now that would be the end of the images for house number 4. House number 5. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house located in Yewaton, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 2,500 square feet and it's on the market for 25 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. First, we have kitchen number 1. And this is kitchen number 2. For the living and dining area, there were no images provided. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third. And this is a 4th bedroom. Next, we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is a 2nd bathroom. From here, we're going to head back on the outside. And that will be the end of house number 5. That also brings us to the end of the video. So if you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.